Hello friends, if you like my video then please like and subscribe. Hello friends, in this video practice English speaking and listening. Hello friends, you want to practice speak in English then you listen my speaking which you can practice in English speaking because when you will listen my speak then you practice in English. So you listen speak English daily 3 times. First, as morning when you listen morning any song, any speak, then your mind doing all day revise. So listening perfect time morning. When you sleep, then listen spoken English. Third point, listen to spoken English. When you work because when we any doing work. Then you sing and something. Good morning, sir. You are very good person because you help everyone and understand how to do something, which makes me happy. Sir, please come to my office early tomorrow because there is a function in which you will be given a gift.